I had a comment from one of the ladies at work. She made the comment that I laugh so much now. And they're all saying, oh, you've got such a beautiful smile. I'm like, oh, thank you. My name is Destiny. I'm very terrified of being here at the dentist. I had some childhood experiences that put me into a state where I wouldn't even turn up into any type of appointment. I had broken teeth, gum disease. I was getting to the point where I couldn't even eat on one side. We looked up All on 4, read some reviews and found the dental practice. My hubby made the call and forced me to come in. The team here are amazing, right down to Dr. Sam, to the receptionist. They were very calm with me and very patient, and that was a big thing for me. I also grew up with buck teeth, so my teeth were in that really poor condition. So to have these beautiful straight teeth, for ages, every time I walked past a mirror, I'd just go, and it was the loveliest thing. To everyone at work, and they're like, that is so beautiful, your teeth are so beautiful. And they are. And I've had people come up to me in the street, your teeth are so amazing. It's an investment in myself.